Hello.
What? Oh, great. A giant talking dog.
What's so weird about that?
Nothing. Nothing at all.
Guess what?
What?
I have a surprise for you.
I don't want it. Go away, freak.
Too late.
What are you doing? Get up, stupid dog. Ew, gross. I don't want your surprise. I don't want it, no!
Hello. Oh, yay. Oh. I'm free. I'm free. Uh-oh. Oh, dear.
After everything I've seen in my life, I can honestly say that is the most disturbing. What? Get away from me, stupid dogs. I hate you.
But we're cute puppies.
Puppies, yes. Cute, no. Get away from me before you make me vomit.
Don't you like your surprise?
No, I don't like your surprise. Get away from me, you stupid dog.